listening to me, Taylor, fucking McKenna, fuck you. Oh, what are you doing? This is the worst thing I've ever dealt with. This is the worst thing I've ever dealt with. Do you know what I have to say about that, Taylor? Do you know what I have to say about you? Fuck you, Taylor. Guess what? It's fuck you. Fuck you, I'm not done, Kyle. Why don't you just put your V-neck a little bit more down, and then maybe, yeah, that's right, turn around, motherfucker. You don't even know. I'm gonna, this is for you, Taylor. Shut the fuck up with your, going to the fucking Cosmo. Fuck you, Taylor. I fucking hate her. Ready? Are you ready? That hurt. I'm not done. That was just practice. Ready? Ready. Holla! What do you have to say about that? What do you have to say? Holla! One more. I'm gonna get up this time. Are you ready? Ready? Shut up! Yeah! I got it! My knees are bleeding. Who cares? Head, shoulder, knees and toes.